Today's video is an evening pranayama practice to wind you down. Hopefully you had a beautiful and productive day. Now it's time to wind down our energies. So while we are engaging our sympathetic nervous system, while we're being more efficient and dealing with our day, it's very important as you go into the evening to wind down and disconnect and shift into parasympathetic nervous system to get the body to start healing itself. First of all, it's very important to understand that your body has all the faculties to heal itself. The only thing we need to be able to do is give it safe space to wind down. Today, we get into 4 different ancient breathing techniques. The first one is a variation of Bhastrika Pranayama. Second one is diaphragmatic breathing. The third one is going to be Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath to increase the levels of nitric oxide in your system. And the last one is going to be alternate nostril breathing to start to switch your nostril so we can start to engage the left and the right hemispheres of the brain to start creating harmony in the whole brain. So without any further ado, find a comfortable place to sit down and we begin now. If cross-legged is not possible, sit on a couch for a beginner's practice. Keep your spine straight, chin 5 degrees up, and we start with Bhastrika Pranayama variation. The variation in this is we're going to do 40 breaths in and out, and every 5th breath we're going to do is going to be a longer breath. So just follow the instructions. We're going to inhale all the way into the belly, expand the belly. As you exhale, pull the belly in and force the exhale out. So let's begin. 3, 2, 1, inhale fully. 6. 'Holding the breath for 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Allow the breath to come in and out. Normally sit in silence for 30 seconds. Amazing job, my friends. Slowly start to open your eyes. Second one is our diaphragmatic breathing. So remember, you're going to breathe all the way first into your belly, fill up your chest, and then fill up all the way to your shoulder muscles. Then start to relax your chest and pull the belly in. So bring your right palm on your belly, left palm on your heart, and start to breathe into your belly first. Exhale. Adding a little sound to the breath as you inhale and exhale. Breathing in for 4, hold for 4, exhale 6, inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Now lengthening the breath, we're going to inhale for 6, hold for 6, and exhale for 8. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Beautiful job. Slowly start to transition into Bhramari Pranayama, humming bee breath, 6 rounds. So come into 7 doors closing mudra. Push the thumb into your protruding part of the ear. Cover the eyes with first 2 fingers, the bridge of the nose with the 3rd finger, and start to inhale fully. Sit in silence for 30 seconds. Amazing. Slowly start to open your eyes. The last one we're going to go into is alternate nostril breathing, Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Coming into Vishnu Mudra, bring your thumb on your right nostril. Start to breathe in from the left for 4. Hold 4. Exhale 6, right nostril. Inhale 6. Hold 6. Exhale 7, left. Inhale 7, left. Hold 7. Exhale right 8. Inhale right 8. Hold 8. Exhale left 9. Inhale left 9. Hold 9. Exhale right 10. Inhale right 10. Hold 10. Exhale left 11. Inhale left 11. Hold 11. Exhale right 12. Inhale right 12. Hold 12. Exhale left 13. Inhale left 13. Hold 13. Exhale right 14. Slow, long, deep breath out. And allow the breath to come in and out normally. Sit in meditation for 3 minutes and just follow the music. Bring attention to your third eye as you close your eyes. Slowly start to open your eyes and just check in with yourself. Are you able to disconnect from your mind? It's very important to slowly start to disconnect from the mind, especially as you're winding down for your sleep, as you're winding down from your hectic, stressful day. To deepen your practice, sign up for our holistic membership on our website. As a member, you gain exclusive access to the 9-day Breathwork Challenge for Unconditional Bliss, along with the entire library of courses on breathwork, meditation, and self-improvement. Click on the link below to sign up. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga and meditation in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace, and love.